third golf round of the year. Moon Golf Club. Spinach meatball salad, boom. Let me go by myself, which never happens here. No warm up. This is a cold turkey golf round. And we chunked it, it's all right. There we go. That's better. All right, let's go. Let's make this par. Let's get out of here. Excuse me, let's get out of here. Very slow today. Just aerated recently, it looks like. All right, there's a bogue on the board. Mashed, just a little to the right. Ah, that's thin. How about that view? Third shot here. Little Delta Regional Jet making their landing at PIT. There you go. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Close. Mashed. Boom. The drive. Let's add it. Come left. Greens are going to be a challenge today. Ah, it's a little left. I mean, that was like climbing a wall. Almost drove the green. It's a tough shot. Yeah, I didn't know what way it was going. Take the par. 2 in a row. There we go. That one got away from me. It's a horrible lie. 4. That's a tough one right there. Go in. Yep. How about that for bogey? All right. I'll take it. Yep, I'm losing it right. That is going to right field. Yep, over the wall, it's gone. Ah, 4. Nope, you're good. Get down. All right, stop. It's rolling off. Nope. Get in there. Let's go. Boom. Big par. Hammer it home. Ah, that is gone. See you later. Left center field, Aaron Judge. Yep. That was so bad. Get up. Ah, shit. Didn't break. Tough double right there. What's up, everybody, on the 8th tee box here at Moon Golf Club. 5 over through 7. Little log jam here going on at 8 and 9. That double bogey on the last hole, that was horrible. I don't know how I missed that putt. Keep the energy, keep the focus up. All right, see you soon. Ah. That's a bad double bogey. That's going right. Go the right way. What do we got here? USA, that looks like a government plane. Making the landing. Go. Go, get up, get up, get up. That was horrible. Horrible putt. We'll get it down. We'll be good. That's way left. All right, bogey. Oh shit. That's not ideal. Cut back, cut back. Oh. Pittsburgh Airport, there you go, from the tee box. Pretty sick. That's blasted, gone, see ya. Hopefully that's good, be good. Let's see. All right, I mean, I'll take that. Not enough break. It's okay. Take the bogey there. Take a little break here at the intersection. Got these gents in front of me. It's pretty busy here. Got cars riding by. This is Moon Golf Club. Prestigious. Yeah. That's just not where you gotta be. No. Be good. Close. A little bit over. Not bad. Oh, that's just sad. That's not good. Here we go, last one. This course is not great for walking. You have a lot of blind shots. You gotta walk up a lot and make sure the green's clear. And some of the holes are like this, walking up. Luckily, this one is downhill. But nonetheless, a great workout today. Here at 18, we're closing out. That's a horrible shot. That's not gonna do it. That is not gonna do it. That was bad. That was just really bad. That was, that's what you call a choke. Leaving Moon Golf Club. Little nice 91 there, choke at the end. It is what it is. Third round of the year, can't be too mad about it. Locking in Sunday. Sunday got 18 coming up. See you then.